back today with another video. So the handle on my toilet actually broke. I'm redoing the bathroom for my birthday, and I needed some drywall screws in order to hang up the shelf. Actually, I needed some anchors because I didn't have a stud finder, and because of the position I wanted the shelves in. Anyway, the shelves fell off the wall, fell on the handle, and if you want to look inside the toilet tank, this freaking... Listen, I really didn't want to stick my hand in there, but I mean, I live alone, so I didn't have a choice. Toilet handle broke off. So I purchased a new one, and today we're just gonna fix it. Now, this is my first time ever making a repair like this. I don't know if this is some of y'all ladies or gentlemen's first time ever even seeing inside of a toilet tank. But you know, it's nothing cute in there. I called my friend who's a maintenance person, and he told me what to do. Usually he comes by to kind of fix stuff for me, but today I just decided to fix it on my own. So I bought this new handle from Lowe's. It was $6. And guys, it looks really simple to put on. So, my first time changing out a toilet handle. Hopefully God is gonna bless me with my husband very soon, because I would love for him just to make repairs and stuff like this, so I don't have to freaking put my hand inside of that tank. So this just slides in there like that, and then you take this little piece and screw it on. I think I got it backwards. Okay.
"20 minutes later."
So I don't really know what I'm doing, but it just looked simple enough.
2 hours later.
I'm putting my old one up there. I don't know why it's spinning and not going on. Ugh, yuck.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Oh, maybe I'm twisting it the wrong. I was twisting it the wrong way, guys. That was like awfully special of me. I'm like twisting. So now that's good. And the last part is I have to pull this thing off, and this, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it because of my nails, which sucks. Okay. Oh, it sucks sometimes having long nails. So right now, I'm just gonna lift this up. See, and that's what actually flushes the toilet. So what I have to do now is just get this piece off, which, like I said, I don't really know how I'm gonna do it with my nails. Y'all know the stupidest thing I heard on the internet was somebody said, if your lights are off, like somebody's lights are off, right? And they were like, well, how did you flush the toilet? How did you flush the toilet if your lights were on? And I'm like, they do realize the toilet is not electric great. Like, people are special on the internet. Oh, thank God I got it off. I got it off. Yay, I got it off. Alright, so it has these little holes in it. Now what I have to try to do is attach this to that. And then that's how the toilet flushes. So I'm going to try to stick this in there. Oh, it went. Let's see if it flushes now. Guys, I'm so proud of myself. I fixed the toilet handle. Oh. Yay! So yeah, guys, that's just something simple you can do. You don't have to call a plumber. And I hope this video helped out all my single ladies. And I'll see y'all in the next one.